Today, I'll be showing you how to install a Fusetap on my ignition volt stabilizer Rising Spark Type S. So first, remove the ignition fuse on the fuse box on your car. Then, on the bottom row of the Fusetap, insert a 15 amp fuse. Then on the top part, it must be lower, so I will choose 10 amp fuse. It should look like this. I will explain. This side, the left side, is a hot side. The 12 volts goes through here. Here, the other side, it goes to the accessory where the wire is connected. Let's check where is 12 volts on my fuse box, left side or right side. I will turn on the multimeter to 20 volts. First, I will find ground. Then, I will pin my fuse box. So, left side is zero side. That means that's a cold side. Let's try the right side. Left side 0 volts. Right side 12 volts. That means the right side is the hot side. So I will install the Fusetap on this orientation. Now let's install the Fusetap on my desired location. So that will be here. Hot side, cold side. Now that's installed. The red wire goes to the accessory. So that's it. You successfully installed the Fusetap on your car's fuse box. Bye.